Hey y'all, it's your girl JP. Let me stop, y'all. I am here to show you guys how to create a light box on Wix. As you can see, we're on my website now, and wait for it. Bam! Alright, now, a lot of y'all don't know how to create this little pop up when it's time for your customers to come through your website, and try to subscribe so you can send out your little email campaigns. But don't worry, I'm gonna show you how. A little selfless self promo, unicorn wings. You already know the vibes. Y'all know how the hell it's going down. This is how we do it, okay? These are my featured items. And I created this website all by myself, and I am not a graphic designer. I did not pay nobody no $600, even though I'm not even gonna knock nobody hustle. You're gonna do what you're gonna do. But if you guys would like me to show you how to make a website like this, and give you guys tips and stuff, I am more than happy to help. Okay. But yeah, just going through, my website, show you guys a little bit what I do. I just launched this website yesterday, actually. I was on Big Cartel, and Big Cartel was good enough in the beginning, but we had to upgrade on them. But anywho, I'm ready to show you guys how to put this light box up. Right here, I'm using my mom's website. I'm gonna try to do hers. So if you don't have an account with Wix, you're gonna press get started. You can either sign in or you can make an account. Right here, it's really just telling me what I have to do, but we're gonna go ahead and click on edit site. Any day now. Okay. We're here, guys. Okay, so basically this is how the Wix editor looks like. Typically when you make a website with Wix, they'll usually let you do it with their template, but you can go ahead, switch it over to editor. It's way better, but I'll explain that in another video if y'all still trying to mess with me after this one. Okay, you're gonna go to the side right there and press add. You're gonna go all the way down to Lightbox Honey, and it gives you all different types. You can pick from any of the subsections, but you go through and see what you like. And of course you can customize it. So I'm doing that right now. Trying to see what I like, what's cute. That's the one I have for my website. But for her website, I wanted to go a little different, but still kind of the same vibes, Okay, they have different types. This one. Okay, so it shows you here how you can click and edit the text, so you can literally make it say whatever you want. So we're switching that to 20%, and if you highlight it, you can switch the color, but always remember to press change and press done, or your color is not going to get changed, honey. Right here you can update the settings, where it's that you can add people's names if you want their name, their number, their birthday. I know some companies, they have like birthday promo where you put your little birthday in, and when your birthday comes they give you a little coupon or whatever. That's cute. You can do that too, and I'm just showing you guys how to do it. You can also pick which information you want to be required. So like, of course, an email is automatically required for mine and this one, but this is the one I showed you guys. I already set one up for her, and I'm going to show you guys that one. And it says never miss an update. I didn't really want to my mom really not, she's not out here handing out the discounts. You got to work for it, baby. Me, I'm over here giving y'all a little 10% off. Y'all better respect me, okay? Here is basically where you set it up to, is your customer going to see it as soon as they get on your website, or is it going to be on every page? That's quite annoying, so I wouldn't do that. So I just set mine's up and hers for the home page, and it delays 2 seconds, and that's it. Like every other page you go to, you're good. Okay, you can also either choose to have an X icon to close it out or a close button. And right here, I'm just going to add a couple things for my mom because she wants her customers' names on there and stuff like that. So we're going to do that. Fix that up. But as you can see, you can even customize your thank you message. Like the message that your customer gets when they're finished subscribing. Once they press that button, they send them a quick thank you. It's real cute, real nice. I'm going to delete the one I made with you guys because I already had one with her. And yeah, make sure you save everything because, girl, you'll be doing all this work and be mad as hell when you find out that your stuff was never saved. Okay? So I previewed it for you guys. So basically that's how it looks. Somebody would come in, put their name in and their email. And this is the thank you that they would get. Close that out. And basically when you're on preview mode, you can see your website how your customers would see it. Okay, in the video I'm going to make for you guys, I'm going to go through all of these, you know, what you can do with each one of these tabs. So if y'all want that, comment down below. And I'm just showing you guys like what I've done so far. I've literally been on this editor for like an hour and that's what I got. I can also show you guys how to navigate through Wix if you're already a customer with them, or if you're thinking of being with them, I can make a video on that. And yeah, back to my little promo. You know, we have 17 lashes to choose from. And you know what? Just for watching this video, comment down below. Actually, no. I'll leave a little coupon for y'all. Bye, y'all.